This is Martin from the Math Center, and this video is going over properties of logarithms, and we will be solving exponential and logarithmic equations. So for the fundamental properties, we have 7 of them. The first one is log base b of b being equal to 1, and we have the second one is log base b of 1 is equal to 0. Third, we have log base b of b to the power of x is equal to x. The fourth one, we have b to the power of log base b of x, and that's equal to x. We have the fifth case is the product property, where we have the log base b of u times v, and that's equal to the sum of the logs. The sum of the log base b of u plus log base b of v. The quotient property is the log base b of u divided by v, and that's equal to the difference between the logs of log base b of u and log base b of v. The power property is log base b of u to the power p, and that's equal to the exponent p times the log base b of u. Alright, so for the first example, we're solving basic logarithmic equations. We have 10 to the power of x. We just know that 10 squared is 100. But if we apply the properties of logs, say it's property 3, this case. So we're going to take the log of each side. Log base 10 of 10 to the power of x is equal to the log base 10 of 100. So using property 3, this log base 10 of 10 to the power of x becomes x is equal to the log base 10 of 100, and essentially this is just 2, so x is equal to 2. Alright, so for the second problem, we have 5 log base 10 of 22x plus 25 is equal to 30. So we're going to solve for x. So we're going to subtract 25 to both sides of the equation. Then we have, this becomes 5 times the log base 10 of 22x is equal to 5. We're going to divide by 5 on both sides of the equation. That becomes log base 10 of 22x is equal to 1. Then we're going to exponentiate 10 to both sides. So the left-hand side becomes 22x is equal to 10. Then x is just simply 10 over 22. We just used the property 4 for this case. So prop 4, which is the exponent of the log base b of x being just x. Alright, so we're moving on to example 2. We're going to rewrite each expression as a single term. So for problem A, we have 4 times the ln of x plus the ln of x plus 6 minus ln of y. So we're going to use the power property, property 7, for the first one. So we have the ln of x to the 4th power. Then we have plus the ln of x plus 6 minus the ln of y. Alright, then we're going to use property 5, the product property. We have the sum of 2 natural logs. So then that becomes the ln of x to the 4 times x plus 6 minus the natural log of y. Alright, so we're going to distribute this x to the 4th and the natural log. So then we have the ln of x to the 5th plus x to the 4th minus the natural log of y Then we're going to use the quotient property. We have the difference between two natural logs. So then this expression becomes the natural log of x to the fifth plus x to the fourth power all over y. For example 2b, we have the log of x minus 3 plus the log of x plus 3. And so we have the sum of two logs, so we could use property 5, which is the product property. So then this becomes the log of x minus 3 times the log of, times x plus 3. So then we're just going to have to FOIL. Then we have, this turns out to be the log of x squared minus 9. Simple enough. All right, example 3, we're solving the logarithmic equation log of 5 plus the log of x minus 9 is equal to 1. So we have the sum of two logs. So again, we're going to use the product property. We have log of 5 times x minus 9 is equal to 1. We're going to distribute the 5 within the log. So that becomes log of 5x minus 45 is equal to 1. So we're going to exponentiate both sides, and then we will solve for x. So we have 5x minus 45 is equal to 10. Add 45 to both sides of the equation. So 5x is equal to 55, and x is equal to 11. See you in the center.